Norwich at home, Sunday afternoon kickoff. Got the City scarf on because, quite frankly, I need it. It's just a miserable day, as you can probably hear from the rain, if you can't hear that football game going on behind me. But, despite all that, City are favourites, I'd say, going into this game. A couple of years ago, you'd go Norwich at home, City favourites. No chance for Norwich. They've had a bit of a fall-off since then. They've changed manager a couple of times, and honestly, we look decent outfit. And hopefully, in the last few days, and hopefully over the time that Manning's been here, the players have got a few more of the ideas instilled, and hopefully we can get things moving in the right direction, and hopefully we can keep this 100% home record at home going as well, which would be brilliant for Manning. Big game today because in the run-up we've got a couple of nice looking fixtures, I feel. So hopefully that keeps us going as well. So yeah, see you at Ashton Gate. Back four against them, switch from the back three at Southampton. Pring's back in, Nathan's out. Vyman's starting against Sam Bell. Scardick, Knight, James, Vyman on the left, Conway, Sykes, back four, Tanner, Dickey, Vine and Pring. Norwich got fairly strong. They've got some key players back. Gunn in goal, Johnny Rose back as well, he scored a lot of goals. He's back from injury, both of them are back. Nunes, some are good players in there, but we are still favourites. Finally, West Ham away in the draw. 8,000 plus 8 fans, so that should be fun. I'll see if I can get to that. That'll be bloody hell, that'll be great away day. First one as well. Yeah, that's on the weekends next month, which should be just incredible. And if we can pull something off at West Ham, it would just be ridiculous. Yeah, West Ham away in the FA Cup third round draw. Fair play to the Norwich fans who've made the trip, because there's not like many of them, but still. Team struggling like that, underperforming so much, still to come in, long distance to do that. Fair play to them. Still pretty good numbers for a team that won their own match goal. City could go 7th if we win by 2 goals, I think. So the pressure is really on against the struggling Norwich side. Here we go. Concentrate.
Oh, he won that. Goal kick! Thank you. Get out!
Out, shit.
Watch it! Up!
There we go.
Touch.
Go on.
Time.
Touch.
Well done.
Back.
Forward!
Back. Grab. Win. He's offside. Tense atmosphere.
Sorry.
Hostile, as always. Don't concede, lads.
Please.
Shit. That's yours, Max.
Three of them also. Up! Get up, no fucking
Jesus
Christ.
Christ. We're about 18 minutes in. Absolutely, it's really volatile. It's absolutely awful. Norwich have had a few set pieces, they've looked a bit threatening. Duffy, Barnes, Hernandez has had a few good runs down the left hand side. Ultimately nothing much though. Not much in it from both teams. We're trying at the moment trying to build up possession, trying to make a few more shots going forward. When fullbacks are always a little bit more space, especially Tanner now. We need to make sure we're getting them in good positions and creating chances from there. 0-0, not much in it, 20 minutes. Oh no, Hernandez just hit the woodwork. It's shocking for Max. He shouldn't have gone long, should have taken his time. Instead goes long, wobbly in the middle. Gets it on Hernandez left hand side. And yeah, should be 1-0 Norwich. They've just hit the post.
Wonderful right foot.
Wonderful right foot. Harry Potter. Absolute magician. Go on again. In the box. Put some pressure on them. Put some pressure on them. Come on. Shoot! Come on, George. City lead 1-0. It's beautiful play to get marks like in down the right side. Ball goes in. Angus Gunn pushes it away. Ball goes back to Jason Knight. Lawrence in. 1-0. Come on.
With him.
Oh, you're joking. Conway's had two massive chances here. One of them he's played one-on-one, left-hand side, tame shot, straight gun. Second one, Sykes cuts in, left foot, puts him in. First time shot, should have tucked it away. Should be 3-0. Then time we turn this around. Go on! Oh! We are about a couple of minutes from half time. First 20 minutes, 15 minutes actually, Norwich were probably the more dominant side. They look more threatening anyway. And then City slowly start going into the game. Possession. Goals come. We have two really good chances off where we should possibly be 2, maybe 3 up. So hopefully this carries on. Norwich look shattered. They've mentally congratulated, I think, after 1-0 down, and I'm not surprised. Confidence there. Hopefully we can take advantage of this and go 2-0 at half time. That'll be beautiful. Get a goal now. But yeah, 1-0 still, a very risky scoreline at the moment. At half time, 1-0. Awful for the first 15 minutes. Norwich had a few set pieces. Had a few chances from set pieces. Duffy, Barnes, and Sen. Good players. Good. I should film that. Good aerial targets. Didn't quite work out. And Hernandez hit the post. Should have gone 1-0 down, let's be honest. And after that, a goal comes around from not much. Sykes is played in, ball goes across, Angus Gunn paddles away. Knight goes in and steers it home, and then it's 1-0. And after that, we've had a few good shots to make it 2-0. As I said, Norwich have not looked at all comfortable. They've looked a bit mentally gone in the head, I think. They looked completely shot any confidence as soon as it went 1-0 down. And hopefully we can take advantage and make it 2. And that settles the game and takes us up to 7, which, as I said, is just brilliant. Yeah, we're doing a Southampton. Hopefully not today.
Right, come back!
Go on. Out, out, out. Shit. Oh, there's no one there. So let him shoot.
Wait there! To him! Don't let him dribble in! It's a hell of a ball into the box.
Typical. They just had possession for ages, and then Sarah plays a very good ball across to Janulis, and Nulis puts it in. I think it's Gibbs, sure. Gibbs puts it in. 1-1. We go again. Whoever this ref is, he's doing his best impression of Keith Stroud. He's actually had a mare. Should have had a corner, came off Shane Duffy, gave the goal, give a goal kick to Norwich, and then ball goes out of play. Should have been a City throw in. Gives the Norwich throw in.
You don't know what you're doing.
We're 70 minutes in. This has been a painful watch since the Norwich goal. We've tried to build up possession. Nothing's going on. Norwich sitting back. They're happy for the point. Clearly, we should not be. We should be going for the 3 points. This has been embarrassing since that Norwich goal. Need to make sure we press higher, get the ball in the right positions. How is that a Norwich free kick? Jesus. Fuck. Need to make the tempo a little bit quicker. Get that crowd going. Because at the moment it's just sideways backwards, sometimes into Matty James, sometimes into Telegonic. It's not working. Gardner, one of the worst corner I've ever seen. He's come off. Williams has come on. Conway's gone off. Harry Cornick's come on. Harry! Shit. Come on then, Harry. Something. Go shoot! Shit. Just about sums it up, I think. Come on. Surely we get one more chance. There we go. Go on! Go on, it's yours. There we go, in the box, On Cam. Go on. Oh! Shoot! Ah! Not that. Not that. That was awful. Take him on. There we go. Yes. Oh. Yeah. In the box. Certainty. Oh, fuck. Oh, careful. Now. There we go. Oh. Lucky charm. Squashes. Are you taking the piss? How have we lost that? We are going to lose this game. Fuck off.
3 seconds to go.
Oh my. Jesus Christ.
See you next year.
Fuck it.
Take care. Have a good time.
Bounce. Mass X is not surprised. Embarrassing. Jesus Christ. This is embarrassing. Go on, something. Wow, wow, bloody hell. Blimey. In the box. In the box. Way. How the fuck have they won that? Spineless, pathetic, just absolutely pathetic. That was. We were in the ascendancy. Sucker punch at the death. It was so obvious to see it wasn't working. And then we go and do that. This is just embarrassing. They're not even that good. Like, no disrespect, but they've been on a bad run. Their manager's under severe pressure. We go ahead and do that. Anyways, doesn't matter. Could have gone 7th. Now I think we're still 40th. So whatever. Complete joke. Complete embarrassment. It is what it is. Supporting Bristol City, I suppose, in a way. Norwich get 3 points. They scored in the 96th minute, even though they were under pressure for about 30 of them. 30 last 30 minutes. It is what it is. Thank you very much for watching this Matchday vlog. Well, thank you. No, thank you. I don't know. Thank you. Yeah. Joke.